You already know I'm coming, bro. You already know I'm all for it. Bro, you see that? I'm ready for tonight. I'm ready for tonight. I'm ready.
Jeff,
hold on, I'll call you back, bro.
Jeff, don't come in my car making noise, Jeff.
Making noise?
You came in, you see me listen to my lyric music.
I don't care about your music, bro. I'm about to go to this party, this Halloween party. I already got my mask. I'm ready. And I look good.
Jeff, who you asking to go out tonight?
I ain't asking nobody. I'm a grown man. What's so funny? You hear this?
Jeff, you cannot even pay your own bill. Why can't you be like your sister?
What you mean?
In college. Going to be a
I
nurse.
don't got time for the school. I don't got time for school.
No.
I don't need school. School need me.
School is the way of life, Jeff. I'm telling you that.
Came into the party.
Without school, Jeff, you cannot be nothing. Yes, baby.
I actually want to go to a party too. Halloween.
No, listen.
Yeah.
No.
We both going. She going with me.
No.
Which party did you want to go
No.
to?
Any party.
We're going to the Jesus party. We're going to church, guys.
Bruh, we already came from church.
No, that was...
We just left Bible study.
Exactly.
We just left Bible study,
We're going
bro.
for the 7 day of prayer now.
But you know how long that's going to be?
Don't matter.
3 hours, bro.
There's never a time for Jesus. It's always time for Jesus. There's no time for party.
What you, listen.
Jesus coming, Jeff.
I know he's coming. I'll be waiting.
Oh, Jeff.
But as of right now?
As
of right now.
Jeff, who you think you is with this, Jeff? This is for little moon blonde, Jeff. No.
Listen, bro. First
You're not going to Halloween party. We don't celebrate the death, Jeff.
Listen, don't touch my mask.
Can you tell your brother Halloween is barbecue?
Dad, I wanted to dress up too and go to a party.
I'm ready to party.
Yes, party. Have fun.
Not in my car.
We young.
Get out.
You get out.
Get out.
You get out.
Jeff.
But you get out, bro. You get out, bro. You get out, bro. Yeah. Yeah, you get out, bro. What you doing?
Oh! Get out, Jeff. Get the hell out. Oh, shoot. Get out my car. Get out.
I'm about to die.
Get put your touch on me, Jeff. Put your damn hands on me, Jeff. Let him keep your Jeff. What's doing it?